Hi, hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video I will show you how to sort the data of yours into A to Z or Z to A, ascending or descending. So here I already opened my Google Sheet. I open it on the Google Sheet mobile. So either you use mobile, Android, iOS, it's similar method. And then of course if you use laptop or PC or Windows or Mac, it should be the same method. So here I already have the data, the name data. Those are just random name. I put it for this example, and then I want to sort it into A to Z. So first I have to click the A column and then go to this triple dot, and then I have to create a filter. After I create a filter, I click this upside down triangle here, and then here there is an option of, there are two options of sorting data, the A to Z and Z to A, which is A to Z is the ascending and then Z to A is descending order. So I will try it the ascending. See, now my data is already ascending order, and then I want to remove the filter. You just click the triple dot again, and then I can click remove filter. Now my data already sorted by sorted without a filter. So if you want to another method is using the formula of sort, and then I will sort and then open the bracket. I will choose the data, and then I have to put the comma, and then is it ascending or descending? If is it wait, I will sort the first column. See, there is an option of sort column, so I will, because my data is only one column, so I put one. And then is it ascending or not, I will put it 0 because I want it not ascending, which is descending. So I close the bracket, click done. See, I have two data that already sorted, the first one manually and then the second one using the formula. Okay, that's it, this tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it is, please subscribe our channel, and then if you have any question, please put on the comment below. Thank you.